Yeah, Game Pack. I'm okay on open in some number gamepackgames.com on website no Play Store, App Store, download the Game Pack app on the go phone so na dey be this car no pay no non do me no and you no sia beti this car go bottom one Game Pack. I'm okay on open na ya can see bro wo bedwam so kejo ran kasa ne Erica see do boy be sha say e feel the English Premiership are take a very interesting turn and Liverpool dey kan ka kone dey gise nyame bam san kwatwe draw against West Ham. It was an early kickoff and of course early kickoff games yana no den pa Man City winning here, Okwawe winning here, Arsenal also winning a game against Tottenham Hotspur and North London Derby. And one must say race now between Arsenal and Manchester City. Aside that, other games Barcelona Kopiema na Manfo winning a bit so ready disease forms are rough now there. And Kopiema English Premiership games in Sequoia. Also in the EPL, top guys are more Premier League, United and Burnley. Airborne 1-1, United dear boy. Newcastle, HS Sheffield born 5-1. Wolves winning 2-1 over Luton. Everton airborne Brentford by a goal to nil. Now Aston Villa and Chelsea also airborne 2-2 to win the other results about the table. So 80 points for Arsenal. Manchester City airborne 79. City were outstanding game. So they airborne Liverpool out. Liverpool 75. Yes, America can be a boom as Liverpool with Magic League this season. They say between Arsenal and Man City. Man City chances never short. A chain Arsenal, so Arsenal LED table no, and Arsenal be bomb pie City better ti ahwe okwan na esoro wadi kan ana wato aso a age de aboso ko piemo La Liga ni Real Madrid bogumu ni tipa 1-0 versus Sociedad the Ben League title no. They say waje 3 points a kabe 4 we de be kan no wrap up league na finish so now let's go to Madrid Bilbao born come in some team back when there say Barca so be Jan 9 so na wa gumu ni tipa obabone de na Villarreal say by kind of 3-0 Canada ball Sasuna 3-0 Las Palmas Girona born 2 and Alaves and also a ball Celta de Vigo by 3-0. Oko France Paris Saint-Germain are winning the third consecutive Ligue 1 title. Monaco loses 3-2 to the Kanka Kone 12 points clear for Paris Saint-Germain Tika Shed and South from Paris 4 na AG League no a Champions League semi-final Amode Ebepem so against Dortmund. Yeah, so meet match double this season. And only the also in France Game Pack omo kan one of pay near some no Brewo Discago Botome Game Pack for one some na medi at the action in a Sherimo. Said Dream Self to beat Matthew Man and Nemo in the semi-final of the CAF Confederation Cup. I'm in Zamalek. First leg was 0-0. And come on, Bayer Sports Stadium. You hear that Zamalek? Zamalek through to the final of CAF Confederation Cup. The final on the RS Bekani. The Bepions answer Bekani Semoja game. The Aqua India Enyamaso. Eti Bekani Bekon and Jesse Hunse Momo Konto Kwaza the politics. I'll be right game in the month now. Bekani will qualify. I could be more final against Zamalek Dreams. I'm first time in Africa. I'm going to do the semi-final. Now, Yankote, the coach at the Dreams FCD to draft Coach Karim Zito. Why? Henry said, maybe Adom next year or very soon. Maybe I do this far in the competition. Now, obviously, MPO Neko Pimo match 28 of the Ghanaian Premier League. Koroko Masai Atwaso. Unya win against Samates or Kobo draw or Takwa 1-1 on a game. Brekum Chelsea Legon City is born a coming and someone to me. Samatex sell or winning call Samatex to me winning a game. I just saw Aboso or Ghana Premier League Demo. Yanko Pimo has in the games this Ikoy.
The Reds have silenced the yellow and mauve. Mukwala rising to the occasion. Miantu was sportingly trying to get in. The player goes down again, and this time Osa Bernardino's trickery and effectiveness pays off. Referee blows his whistle. Diawusie Taylor is there. Diawusie Taylor sent defense of Brekum Chelsea. It's not worked, but they have yet another opportunity. This time will he go for glory? Solid drive and then that was so unlucky. Oh, they really deserve to get that goal. They're back in the game. I'm just surprised. Kwame Aziz. But then it's Legon Cities. They definitely would want to have the last hurrah. Oh. They must have left everything till the last minutes of the game. And he's behind the ball. So Shaibu Haruna. Oh! Into the top corner. Super goal. And this is a goal scored from intelligence and experience. Legon City's on the offensive. Crosses deep. Oh! Can you really understand the game of association football? Frederick Akatuk again.
Prosper Neteogum and your head coach at the Makoroko after game of the same tuja. Sasna Pakwasi Fabian and so Legon City's coach. It's a Koroko game no hona na Pakwasi Kasa. Then if you are near Pakwasi Fabian so we near won a game on so the Pimaso what do or game. Okay, and Pakwasi Fabian and Prosper Ogum.
I'm so convinced, I'm so happy about what the way we played. I think especially in the first half, we tried to take the game to them, which resulted in us having some few chances in front of goal, one of which actually resulted in a goal. But I think in the second half when we came, we sat back and we gave them the time and the space on the ball to press us with the ball. And out of that, they got a penalty. I think Mediama also played well. They were hungry for the points. You could see, even though they were down, they didn't give up. And they got the equalizer.
Okay.
I think we could have scored more than 3. In the first half, for example, we scored so many chances, and then we could have been up about 4-3 in the first half. But all the same, taking the 3 points is the most important at this time of the league. So I'm okay with it. It will help us to prepare for our next game, knowing that we are a little bit safe. We are not safe yet, but we believe that with a little bit of hard work, we'll be able to stay out of this relegation battle.
Pakwasi Fabian and Prosper Nete Ogumene. And so Bebo against Buffalo. Again, back attention will pay and so Bofo. You heard a premier on some abroad. So be Chimney Alliance game on year 1-1. Sounds against the Olympic Summer Test upon 1-0. Adriana Stars tonight, FIMA Carella born 2-1. And Nations Nego Stars game near 0-0. They say table on top of it. Summer Text of 52 points. Nations of 45. Adriana Tosumiensa 42 points. Winning Ghanaian Premier League match day 28. And then the whole table that made game pack for Kenwano player in 7 by game pack. Star 946 wa be ma prompt ahodo na we diswa na we dey diska go bottom oko Play Store and App Store be download the app no so bit me diska go bottom na feel so no gamepackgames.com our website and so after ho diska and opay no nkron be first draw e we no do me no be another draw and me no nsia na assign draw back aka ho game pack omo ke ho no pay na ire nsam no e de buy yeah Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibo Chemi producers ya na wakaide nankasa ka kejwa no hwere kase edu bori bedwam na wo hwe ye de apomode on sama eto aso koso ahwe